Okay, so this is Chiwuzie Obinwa. I'm a digital marketing consultant. So this is still Kano State, Nigeria, and this is still Dawano market. But here, this is beans. A lot of beans in bags. All these things you see here is bags of beans. It's bags of beans. So let's enter inside so you see more and more. Okay, so you can see them. You have the big ones, the brown beans, and so many of them. All these things you are seeing right here is beans in bags. They have it in bags. So this is our new market. So please, we are here to help you. Let's call the owner of the shop so that he will explain the things that he has to offer. Okay, explain to them. Oh, you sure now? Yeah. Tell them what.
If you buy plenty, I get another shop when you open it to you. This one, I showed you another shop. I get plenty.
Okay, like how many lorry?
I get it's more than 200 trailer.
Okay.
200 trailer I get.
Okay. So he says he has more than 200 trailer of these beans. So this is massive. This is the truth. So this is the truth. What the Dawano market is his biggest green market in West Africa. So let's go outside and show you the brown beans that are outside there. Okay, let's move this one. Like this, the brown. Okay, what you are seeing here is brown beans that they have here. This is part of the brown beans that they have. So please do want to subscribe to our channel and like this video, share this video, and order this product if you need it. So help us and share it to anyone on your social media platform. So thank you very much. I still remain Chiwuzie Obinwa. I'm a digital marketing consultant. I'm covering most part in Dawano market in Kano State for people to see. And you know, Kano State is a land of agriculture. In fact, 60% of their revenue is from agriculture. So you can dive into it, and as you know, it can be very, very affordable right here in Kano State. So get the bags, and we'll send, anytime you need it, we'll send it to you. Okay? Thank you very much. Please do want to subscribe to the channel and like our video and share it. Thank you very much, and God bless you.